Lucy's Rossmönster Vans, and today I want to show you around the Sprinter 144 4x4 that we just wrapped up. On the exterior of this rig, you can see a Fiamma awning up top. We have an aluminous roof rack, and then all the way on the other side, we have an luminous ladder to get up to that roof rack. Let's check out the inside. Welcome inside. So this is going to be one of our modern 2.0 layouts, which means that this rig is able to sleep comfortably with our custom Rossmönster trifold dinette bed combination there. Before we get into the specifics of everything, I'll talk a little bit about the design elements of this rig. So wall panels are going to be whitewashed birch, as well as our ceiling up top. We also have gray Duramax upholstery on the bed frame, as well as our dinette bench conversion. And then over on the driver's side, we have some Paperstone countertops. So this is going to be one of their darker gray colors. These countertops are great because you can put hot stuff directly on them. They're also made of recycled paper, so sustainable, which we love. Lastly, we have birch cabinetry throughout, so this is all going to be slab door cabinets, and then that birch theme is followed through in our custom table here on a lagoon mount. On the driver's side of this van, we have our galley area. So this galley is going to have a single burn and true induction cooktop. We have a 4.63 cubic foot isotherm fridge and freezer combo, so that freezer is up on the left-hand side there. Also, moving a little bit further back, we have a 15 by 20 Ruvati workstation sink, and then under that sink we have a 7-gallon gray water tank. Moving even further back, we have some nice drawers here for the silverware, etc., and then we just have a cubby area, so that's going to be open, slide some bigger items in there. And then lastly, we have all of our uppers down the driver's side of the vehicle for storage. All of these are going to be on gas struts for easy opening and closing, and have our V-latches to make sure that nothing goes flying while you are in transit. Moving a little bit further back, we have our dinette area. So this is set up for 2 people to enjoy dinner, lunches, whatever, and both of the captain's chairs are also able to swivel around, so this area can comfortably seat 4 for a meal time. We also have our table lagoon mount, so this can be pulled outside of the van as well, which is a really nice feature. It can also be mounted up here in the galley area so that you can use it when you have those captain's chairs flipped over. Lastly, we have our vents for our Rixon hydronic heat and hot water system that's going to come out under the dinette unit here. That's going to pull hot water to the exterior shower of this rig, as well as to the sink. So now that we've seen the dinette in dinette mode, I'll go ahead and put it into bed mode so you can see what that looks like. So to make this dinette, you're going to pull out our table leg mounts. You're going to place the pin into the receiver and just screw clockwise to fit them in. And you'll just pull towards you, and there you have it, our trifold dinette bed situation there. A lot of people tend to ask us about these beds, so just know that we do have a DIY video also on our channel so that you can make one for yourself. Once you have this bed in bed mode, you can see that we have an additional platform here. This is going to be on 500-pound gear slides. This pulls out, just adds a little bit of real estate so that the custom mattress can sit on top of it and create a long enough platform to sleep lengthwise in this rig. All right, in the rear of this rig, we have our Rocky Mounts bike rack. That's going to be on a swing arm. That's going to be for 2 bikes right there. We also have an exterior shower hookup. So again, we have that Rixon heat and hot water system that'll pull water back here as well. We have a 20-gallon freshwater tank in here. This is also where that Rixon is going to be housed. And then we also have some custom L-track on this side. This is going to allow her to store some additional water jugs while she's out on the road. On the passenger side of the vehicle, we have 340 amp hours of AGM Super Cycle battery, 3,000 watt inverter, and then a 100-watt solar array up top. Lastly, we just have a gear tray back here. So again, on 500-pound locking gear slides, that's going to just allow for easy loading and unloading when she is storing her gear. That wraps up this van tour. Thanks for watching along. I'm Lucy with Rossmönster Vans. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a van tour. Hope you have a great rest of your day.